All right, today is January the 11th. It's a Saturday. Today's gonna be a quick little day. I only got one move, and that's it. Yeah, I only have one drop and hook, and I'll just be here a handful of hours, and then I'll be back home probably before lunch. So here's what it's gonna be. But check this out though, bro. A little bit more snow, I guess. Always got the damn turn. It's super early, 31 degrees right now. Probably real slippery. Now it's really on its way. It's really on its way, bro. I'm just gonna get it done and come back home. 1, 2, 3. Who wants to be out here in this? All right, today should be a very easy day. Nice and quick, easy money. All I gotta do is find my trailer in one of the yards here, hook up to it, take it somewhere here in Long Island. I'm gonna drop it on the side of the road in a private lot. Unhook, go hook up to the empty one that's gonna be on their door. Pull the motherfucker out. Drop that on a private road, right there, right nearby. Hook back up to my loaded one, put it in the door, unhook. Hook up to my empty, bring it back. And that's it. Easy day today. I should be done probably by like 9 in the morning. Right now it's 4:30, so it's 4-ish. So let's go, let's do it. Dude, I can't believe it's snowing again. Like, I'm sick of it. Yo, my dumbass didn't even bring a jacket. I mean, I'm close enough to turn around, but I think it will be all right. But sometimes the weather can turn on you. For sure, for sure. You know what? I'm starting to have second thoughts about this jacket. Fuck that jacket. I don't need it. I'm just gonna suffer. Bro, check this fucking truck out. He didn't want to slow down a little bit, and homie went around on my left side and cut right in front of me, like literally. And I just think that when you're driving a big truck like that, like, you should be a little bit more responsible. I mean, it's a little crazy to me, you know. And yeah, we sometimes do all those mistakes, but that was not a mistake, bro. That was fucking stupid. All right, so at this point, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna, finish a little bit of my paperwork here. I just gotta put the time that I left over there and shit. Right now. Yeah. Put the mileage. Had to sign my bills and start doing everything I gotta do. Like taking the empty out that door, putting the loaded one in there, hook it back up to the empty and scramming out of here. I'll be right back. Let me get this crap signed. Okay, cool. Got my paperwork signed. Oh, where the fuck did I put my keys, bro? What? Okay, so let's slow down a little bit. There it is. Alrighty. My trailer is like right in front of me. They emptied it out. And I do my tuck test. Looks like we're good. Come back out. Put it in neutral. 3 points of contact. So around this time, a lot of people get hurt getting in and out of the truck. The wet weather and the cold weather, they mix together. This stuff right now is like rain, right? So that falls on your step and it freezes. So you go nonchalantly, like it's summer, and you go try to step on your truck and come down, and you're not like paying attention. So how you're doing it, you can slip and fall out the fucking truck. And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, that shit happened to me one time. I fell straight out this bitch. I went to step on a step to get out the truck, and my feet just kept going. And I went with my feet. So I could have got hurt. Luckily, I was gripping to the door, and I didn't splat at the bottom. I get hurt falling from that type of distance. So just pay attention when you're getting out. Always do your 3 points of contact. And we're off. Alright. So I'll take this thing out so I can put the loaded one in. Like I said 1,000 times. I'll get that done. Let's get it. So I start pulling out. It's not a bad time to check on those trailers brakes. First I do my tug test. I supply air. I roll a little bit. Trailer brake. Whoop! Damn, the brake is good. Trailer brake, good. Better than not working. Hi trailer, how you doing? I see you every day. Gotta pay attention at all times. Okay. No asshole. Alright. Might as well close my doors. I'll do that. So I close my doors. I'm all set. Jump back in the truck. I'm releasing my trailer. I'm watching for cars around me. So I got a 3-point turn. Actually, I'm gonna go to the stop sign. Gotta do all my computer work. Let's check. Boom, you want that angle to point down always so it can scoop up the trailer. Make sure it's locked in. And we're good to go. I'm ready to back in the trailer. I'm gonna pull forward and away from this curve as I do my tug test and all that, set my trailer brakes. Make sure I don't latch while I'm moving forward for the first time. Apologize for the messy back in here. Okay, I'm on the floor. Yeah, so yeah, that was everything. Fucking did my job. Now I'm going home, baby. It's over. Let me complete this. It's already here, I guess. Oh no, don't tell me I lost my pen. That was a good pen. It's another one though. Alright, so 6, and then what is it, 6:50? Took me 40 minutes of this shit. I'm pissed I lost my pen. Wasn't even worth coming to work today because of that. That pen rolls so smooth. Alright, so. But yeah, that was a smooth delivery. I like doing that one. Oh, my trailer is fucking twerking right now. I hit the brakes and the shit just fucking started. You know? On the snow is slippery, so that's what it is. It's trying to stop and it just keeps sliding. It was doing that motion, you know? Yo, today I'm going to the gym. I don't give a f. I'm going to the gym. And I gotta stop cursing. It's another goal of mine. It's not really working too good, man. From the army to being a truck driver, bro. It's just loose mouth. It's a lot of loose ass mouth. I gotta condone myself a little bit, acting like a pirate out here. That's the closest thing to a pirate, I guess. Being a truck driver. pretty much my day. Pretty much my day. I'm all done. After this, I jump in the car and I'm in. Alright, let's get it. So yeah, that was it. That was my Saturday morning work day. So yeah, see y'all later.